Books. Your child picks up any book, fans the pages, flips the pages, keeping the eyes closed or the eyes open. Put it on the forehead. Smell the book. Tap the book near the ears and connect with the book. And miraculously, the brain creates a quantum connection with any book or textbook.
And they read the book in 5 to 10 minutes flat.
After the brain is activated, the pineal gland is decalcified, and the right and the left brain are balanced. And this is exactly what we train children in our 2 days brain activation workshops. We had been doing this for many years now. This is a scientific process where we take the children through brain relaxation, meditations, finger exercises, eye gymming, body gymming, sleeping therapy. Make them go into deep sound sleep, listening to the special music devised by the neuroscientists of Japan. In Japan, these courses are compulsory and part of school education. In India, only very few aware parents who travel a lot, who wish their children to excel, come to us, find us, bring their children from other cities to us, fly down. We had been doing these workshops in Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Chandigarh for a long time now. This creates so much of ease for the child. We feel that only we adults get stressed, but for children also, there is a lot of stress. These brain workshops activate the brain, enhance their capabilities, make life easy for them. All of life, all of experiences come to them with ease, joy, grace, glory, and love. And we ensure this happens through our workshops. Many parents have brought their children to me during the summer vacations with the next class textbooks. Children come into the workshops, just 2 days, 7 or 8 hours each, and then they do the practice at home. We teach them the technique, we activate the brain, and then we just leave them. And then we get feedbacks flooding to us when happy parents write to us. A child is excelling in Olympiads, a child is excelling in writing lyrics, poetry, becoming jockeys, radio jockeys, playing cricket, playing guitar, becoming musicians. Paintings are being exhibited in big exhibitions, eyeing for the gold medals. And that is so heartening for us to know, because this is our agenda, this is our goal, to make use of this beautiful organ, this beautiful muscle called brain, which we are using just 3%. But this brain is so powerful. You can see this brain has calculated fractions of seconds and launched missiles, satellites, created things around us which we don't even notice. The air conditioner, the electric bulb, all these were human brains. Just that those brains had little bit of more neural pathways and more communication between the left and the right hemispheres and more balance. And the pineal gland was clear and decalcified. And therefore Einstein and Newton have given us all that we are enjoying today. Your child can be the next Einstein or the next Newton. Just give him a chance. This is just once in a lifetime workshop. I tell parents, take your child one holiday less, one shopping spree less. Just do this bit for your child and make his and her life easy. The earlier the better. It is done for children from ages 5 to 16. The earlier it is done, the better activation happens. And guaranteed activations happen at our workshops because we are experienced for around 9-10 years we are doing it. So we have modified a lot of things. We know exactly what works with which child, and we have trained thousands and thousands of kids. Just give your child a chance and register for this workshop. All details are given in the link below. Thank you so much for watching.